after being sick for 3 days. Not taking care of my plants. And now I'm craving for something to eat. I want some fruits. And so, and it's already 11:12 p.m. and I'm awake because I already took a nap. So I'm gonna grab some persimmon, but I'm gonna eat some rice first also, a little bit of rice, because my friend says that you can't eat persimmon with an empty stomach. So I guess two will do. And then look at my squash. Hee hee hee. It's growing. Another one over here. And then another one over there. And there's another one over there too. So I have 4 squash. Hopefully they'll make it. And now I'm gonna grab some pomegranate. They're already sweet, but just not fully ripe. So maybe I'll just do this one. I don't really need a big one. Probably not gonna be able to finish it. This will do for my cravings. My vegetables over here. They're overgrown again. And then my goji berry is actually already fruiting. And the fruit just falls down. So they're little, but we'll eat that next time. And my tangerine, they're already ripening too, and even my mandarin orange. Alright, that's it for now, because it's a little cold. I have to go back inside and eat. It's been a while. Also waiting for my avocado to ripe, because I want to eat it too. Craving it also. But it's not ripe yet, so I have to wait. Now, it's time to peel my pomegranate and persimmon. It's not so big yet, but it'll do. There's a lot to munch in, but I don't feel like eating sugar right now. I want something healthy. There's a lot of these too.